In this video, we'll take you through your POS payment screens, including where to find different payment options and how to locate all of your checks. Let's dive in. On the left, you see your check details, which will include the quantity and price of each item in your order. Within the payment details here, there will also be a pre-authorization banner if credit card pre-authorization is enabled at your restaurant. If a card is pre-authorized, you'll see that green banner displaying the last 4 digits of the credit card and the guest's name. In the middle of the screen, you'll see the balance due section. Here is where you can enter the amount paid by the guest in the amount tendered box. 3 secondary action buttons are below the balance due section: the split evenly button, the rewards button, and the service charge button. Split evenly will take the total balance due and divide it evenly however you choose. The rewards button will bring you to this screen where you can key in, swipe, or scan the guest loyalty card. The service charge button is where you can apply or remove any service charges, like a delivery fee or a corkage fee. On the right side of the payment selection screen, you'll see your payment options like gift cards and house accounts, plus any additional payment options that have been pre-configured for your restaurant, like Uber Eats. If a check has been pre-authorized, the saved card will appear right here on the top. The overflow menu on the top right of the screen is where you can toggle on and off digital receipts for your guests. Now, let's check out the payment terminal where you can view all of your checks. When you select a check, use the buttons on the bottom left to update the order, print the receipt, or go to the payment selection screen. That tab bar at the top, including your open, paid, and closed checks, will show check counts next to each tab so that you can keep track of how many of each check type you have. For instance, we see 1 paid check. You can also filter your checks using this button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Once you select this button, you'll see all of the sorting and filtering options on the left pane. Finally, when it comes to searching for your checks, using the magnifying glass, you can search across all open, paid, and closed checks and even filter by order status. How easy is that? And with that, you're off to the races. Thanks so much for watching. For more information on your new Toast POS experience, visit us at central.toasttab.com.